What's up? We're back with another video here with All Drywall Paint. This is Diego. We're about to sand this. We got a second coated and we're going to go ahead and sand it. What we use is a D-Wall power sander. That's power sanding. Okay, now we sand the ceilings by hand. It leaves a better quality of work. You don't want to breathe this stuff in. You want to use a mask whenever you're sanding. Glasses are good for sanding, but they get dirty way too quick. After that, we got sponge sanders. What we're gonna do is we're gonna sponge sand all the angles. This is what we use for the darker room. This is our little jerry rig. Get some sponges. I call it the no hands light. No hands, babe. No hands. Now we just go check out and finish the final touches. Okay, I'm gonna jump down and then do the bottom. All we guys do is go check out whatever didn't sand out. Sometimes you can't sand it out, you need to hit it again with mud. First, second coat, and then the sand. And after this, we got priming and then texturing. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you follow and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.